everybody, Pandi here. Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know what it is. For the most part, over here I talk about wigs, natural hair, skincare, and I give commentary. I also do TV show reviews and talk about trending topics. And I just have my own perspective over here in my own way and on my own platform. Tonight, I'm just coming to you guys real briefly. I am not working with a new wig. This is an older unit. I purchased this a few weeks ago. It is a braided unit. I believe it's 20 inches or maybe 22 inches. I can't remember. But anyway, I bought it several weeks ago, maybe almost close to a month. What I am planning to do is just revitalize it, clean it up, trim these baby hairs down, clean the gel out of the baby hairs, and stopped by my local beauty supply store earlier today, and I picked up some little hair jewels. So I'm going to just go ahead and try to revitalize this puppy so that I can shampoo, deep condition, and braid this puppy and go back under a protective style for at least another 2 weeks. I really like this. It's nice and flowy. It's very natural looking. It has a low sheen on it. And because it's long enough, you can do multiple styling options with it. You can clip it up. You can wear it down. You can pin it back. It does also have, I believe it's a 4x4 lace parting, so you can actually, alternate the parts on either side within that 4x4 realm. Can y'all see that? It looks very natural. So yeah, just giving you all a sneak peek at what I am getting ready to do for the week coming. Again, have you all tried braided wigs? And if so, what are your thoughts? Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you enjoy the channel, please take a moment to subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind smashing a thumbs up for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Again, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for watching. Have a good night.